As Irish citizens who work in the film and TV community, we are truly fortunate to currently have a president in office who has been steadfast in his support for the creative arts, as a poet, an activist, and a legislator. President Higgins is a friend to the Irish film and TV community, who expresses that friendship not just through his words, but also through his actions.
As the First Minister for the Arts, Michael D. Higgins showed extraordinary vision in re-establishing the Irish Film Board and setting up an Irish language television station, two landmarks in Irish broadcasting history. He not only supports Irish film, he recognises the inherent power of visual medium to project a bold, confident and vibrant image of Irishness?
Yes.
Our shared culture to the world.
In his poem, When Will My Time Come?, President Higgins writes, "The hero setting out will meet an ally at a crucial moment. He has been an ally to the arts in Ireland at crucial moments in the development of our industry, and it is fitting that he receives this IFTA Award in recognition of his unwavering support and his outstanding contribution."
The President writes as he acts, with poise, simplicity and integrity. And as a community, we want to formally recognise the unique role he has played. So let's take a brief look at 20 years of screen stories and a few of those messages.
We're lucky enough as Irish people to have a president who is a poet and who is committed to culture in all of its various forms. Before he was president many, many years ago, he was one of our first ministers for arts and culture. And one of his first actions was to re-establish the Film Board and appoint me as a member with many other people. I remember then being thrilled at the fact that not only was a board being established and not only was there such a commitment from a minister to the idea of a film industry, but actually that he was as interested in the ideas that movies and films could project as well as the jobs they could create. He was as passionate then about every aspect of Irish culture as he is now, and he is a great president and has been a great driving force behind the creative industries in Ireland in general. Thank you, Michael.
I know people get awards, president, because they are the president, and why wouldn't you give the president an award? But I think we all feel, from Anya to Neil to myself to Colin, Farrell, Fassbender, Daniel Day, Gabriel, Liam Neeson, you can't talk to anybody and they don't love you. It's as simple as that.
Hello, Michael D. It's good to be here. See? It's like I'm here with you. Sorry I can't be there. Outstanding contribution to film and TV in Ireland. Well, this accolade, I'm surprised it hasn't been given to you before. It's long overdue. Because 20 years ago when I was having trouble making a little picture called Braveheart, you opened your doors and your arms and your heart and your resources to me over in Ireland. Scotland was not horse friendly at all. It's amazing the amount of friendly horses I met in Ireland, but the experience with your cooperation made that film happen and made it smooth, and it couldn't have happened without your help. I'm honored to be able to just say hey to you and like congratulations and attaboy. You were the Minister of the Arts then 20 years ago. You're the president now, so you must be doing something right. Perhaps you could rule the world one day. What do you think? Congratulations. Thank you, and goodbye.
I'll never forget the first moment when I walked into a cinema. I was hooked from there on.
Achievements, adventures, funny stories, not so funny stories.
Only having a bit of fun, like, don't mean nothing by it.
I think someone is looking for her bedtime story.
When do you feel alive?
There comes a time in life when secrets should be told.
Because time will not.
Du Pellens and go up your sin.
I'm a good girl, sister.
We will march peacefully this Sunday, and march again.
I hope this Ireland we're fighting for is worth it. You come here and you fill his head full of crazy dreams.
Time comes, you have to leave behind the old Hellraiser, man. Take some responsibility for your life.
In the evening of life, we will be judged by love alone.
Did it ever occur to you there might be more than one alternative?
All the things that might have been, should have been.
Please stand for the President of Ireland, Michael D. Higgins.
An gétal sias gur míle mácia sacht an firkin fótse sin, agus sé trí sliam ní bhún le iad san a bhuaig an achtach, gachtanas bach cólach an anam níocht. Agus is múran an ordam agus tá a fír Os a bheith raunahead an gradam seo, agus tigim go bhfuil méid leanúnt, I lorig reint feitseorí bhfuil meas mór orthe san Tiúnska. Following, as I know, in the footsteps of some very illustrious former recipients, I am deeply honoured, and I want to thank the Irish Film and Television Academy for this prestigious award from a community and an industry for which I have both respect and, may I say, great affection. 20 years ago, as Minister for Arts, Culture and the Gaeltacht at Alín Culturas Gaeltachta, I was very pleased to have the opportunity, I must say, of implementing the proposals of an excellent working group on film, and thus in a very short time, with the assistance of many, some of whom are here tonight, I was able to set about, among other initiatives, indeed, refunding on boards going on the Irish Film Board, creating opportunities for independent production, and indeed Bunút Television na Gaeilge, the founding of Television na Gaeilge, now TG Caha. The film and television community at that time had my admiration for the extraordinary commitment and creativity that they showed during harder times. They were given a chance then to flourish. And may I say, looking around this room, what a great body of original and inventive Irish work has emerged. Crathóíocht den Scoth, work that has created and continues to create highly skilled and satisfying opportunities. And it has done so while achieving internationally recognized excellence. We in Ireland now, as a result of this, and all of that dedication and professionalism, are much more than a favoured location for international films, and how I remember those conversations with Mel Gibson. Long renowned for our beautiful landscape, we are now also recognised as valuable and highly skilled production partners. And this evening, Tris Liam Loeb, I salute and I thank the Irish Film and Television Academy. I thank an industry and a community which continues to be innovative without boundaries, inspiring, able to take on issues of memory and issues of the imagination, artistically courageous. And Sabine and I want to say, are grateful for all of the friendships that we have found within it. The Irish film and television industry, I have no doubt whatsoever, has an even greater role now to play in establishing and securing the role of culture and the arts in society, never as a residual, but as a founding block of our citizenship. It is a critical partner in the creation of a truly effective cultural space, one accessible to all citizens, recognising creativity as the practical and spiritual heart of society. So, Marfocal Square, I so treasure the long and positive association with this industry and community, and my interest and support will always be there as it should. It has been a great pleasure for me to come to know so many of you over the years as friends, and it is such a great further pleasure for me, Maruk Throne-Heran as President, to hear of each new success for the film industry in Ireland. Long may that success continue. So ganari gagialif is gara mila mahaki a galean a socton honor a vrunship oram. Thank you so much. I so appreciate this.